Hi, how are you? We are going to be continuing our video lesson series with this lesson on how to blow into a brass instrument mouthpiece. This is a trumpet. We have a couple trumpets and a couple trombonists in our program, a couple who have just started, so this will be a good time for you to learn how to properly blow into your mouthpiece. So let me get a little bit closer to you right now. I know this might look a little strange, but here's your mouthpiece. To make a sound in this mouthpiece, in a mouthpiece like this, you need to buzz your lips into the mouthpiece, like this. It sounds funny, looks really funny, but this is the way to do it. Okay, so let's just try it with your mouth. Can you buzz your lips? All right, take a break. Don't pass out. Take a deep breath and buzz your lips. So take your mouthpiece, trumpets, trombonists, brass instruments, put it on your lips, creating a seal. Oh, it sounds really funny, right? And it's gonna sound funny. It sounds like a duck. And I'm just blowing and buzzing, keeping my lips tight and sealed in the mouthpiece. So let's take this and put it on that. Put the mouthpiece on the trumpet. Before we play into the trumpet, let's make sure we're holding it the right way. Pinky loop, 3 fingers, balls of your fingers on the keys, on the valves, nice and comfortable. 1, 2, 3, pinky. My thumb is resting underneath the top pipe. Okay, now that's the right hand. Left hand, you might have a ring over here or a little hook. Put your thumb in there. 2 fingers. Okay, make sure it's comfortable. So this is how you hold a trumpet. And let's try to apply what you just learned with buzzing in the mouthpiece. Let's apply that right now and make a sound in the trumpet. So breathe and blow and buzz your lips. What am I not doing? I am not puffing my cheeks. So if you are puffing your cheeks, let's fix that. Not this. This. Alright, now that you know how to blow into your trumpet, you know how to buzz your lips into the trumpet, let's start our notes with a little articulation. What is articulation? I'm glad you asked. Articulation is how you start your notes when you play into your instrument. So we're going to start our notes with a ta or da. Ta or da. First thing, put the trumpet up to your mouth, your instrument up to your mouth, and I want you just to say or mouth the word ta. Now, I'm not going to be talking the sound while I play the instrument, but I'm just articulating it. Ta, ta, ta. So pick one. Let's do ta. And you'll hear when I start my notes now, I'll have a lot more definition in my notes. So I can start the note with my tongue and I can stop it with my tongue also. Tup, tup, tup. Tut, 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 tut. ta, ta. It might be very difficult, very challenging for you right now, but I promise you will get it. It takes practice. And that first note I'm playing, it's just it's a low C, and it's a note that you're going to be starting on. It's what we call the tuning note. It's a low C. And you're probably wondering how you can get so many notes just with 3 valves. Well, it has a lot to do with the valve positions and the airstream, how fast or how slowly you're going to be blowing the air out of your mouth. If I blow faster and buzz my lips more, I'm going to get a higher pitch. But that's not the one I don't want you to start with. You're going to start with the lower pitch, which is a C. And try practicing the ta, the articulation, in and through the horn. So when you first started blowing into the instrument, you probably weren't doing articulation. And listen to the difference. This is no articulation. I'm starting and stopping the air without articulation. Now, let me show you the difference using articulation. I'm starting and stopping the air with my tongue. Toe. And I'm not puffing my cheeks. So let's stop with the lesson there. You are playing a C in your trumpet, and once you start your notes, I want you to play something called a long tone. A long tone is when you play the note as long as you can until you run out of air. So take a deep breath and blow the note, that C, as long as you can. And it might be only for a couple of seconds, and that's completely fine. Now, do what you can. Let's stop the video and put into practice what I just taught you about holding your instrument, holding the trumpet. Left hand, right hand, putting it up to your mouth. Nice tight seal, buzzing your lips, and blowing a C using articulation. And sit up straight. If you're sitting on a chair, move your body forward on the chair. Lift the trumpet up. Keep your posture, keep your back straight. And let's get this started the right way. So I hope to see you soon, and be blessed.